Hey there, it's me, Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been a while since I last said that. Nung nag-check kasi ako ng YouTube studios ko, I think it was a year and some months. Magto 2 years na ata since last akong nag-upload sa YouTube channel ko. And now lang talaga ako nagkaroon ng parang courage to vlog again or just sit down kasi nakapag-vlog ako before this one and I just couldn't bring myself to edit and post those vlogs. Kaya ako nawala was because I lost my spark of for vlogging English. I lost my spark for vlogging kasi I went through a lot in med school. And mas pinili kong mag-focus on that instead of vlogging. Kasi vlogging ended up being like work compared to what I said before na nagvo-vlog ako kasi I just find it fun. I just feel like it's something that I wanna do on the side and it's never gonna be work but it felt like work nung time na yon. And nung na-realize ko yun, I said to myself na okay, stop tayo mag-vlog. We have to focus on the things that are in front of us, which is med school. And the thing that made me realize about that one was I failed some of my subjects in med school. I did not fail med school. I'm still in FEU. I'm still studying med. Pero na-held back ako a year because I failed some subjects. It's hard to say it in front of you guys at the time. It's hard to vlog about it. It's hard to explain what happened, why that happened, how it happened. And so, I took a year off of YouTube kasi hindi ko alam kung paano mag-start mag-explain. Not that you guys need explaining, but a part of me wanted to explain sana kung bakit humantong sa ganon. Bakit nag-fail ako, puro ko aral, puro pinapakita ko sa inyo, nag-e-exam ako and happy about my results. Bakit ako na-held back? So, from batch 2026, naging batch 2027 ako ngayon. And failing those subjects made me realize na parang I have to set my priorities straight. And I have to, anong tawag dito? I have to manage my time very well. Because ang dami kong gusto sa buhay. Gusto ko maging doktor, gusto ko mag-vlog, gusto ko magpakita sa mga tao na I can do it all. Then I realized na I can't pala. So at that time, nag-focus ako with med school. You lost a chunk of my second year. You lost seeing that part kasi I purposely did that. I purposely didn't post anything or answered anyone, which I want to apologize for when you're inquiring about med school. Kasi at that time, inisip ko, bakit? Sino ba ako para mag-advise? Nagre-repeat nga ako ng mga subjects ko. I'm thinking if I want to, say something encouraging na I prepared. Kasi I actually prepared the script for this video. Pero, sige, scrap natin yon. Kasi I don't want to be, you can do it. You can bang on. You can fight again. You can face that subject head on. You're gonna show that subject who's boss. Kasi in reality, the first time I tried to face those hard subjects, I didn't show them who's boss. Nalampaso ko ng subject na yon, yung mga subject na yon. And it was hard for me to accept na makikita niyo yung ganong side of me. Kasi nabuhay ako or natuto ko ng life through academic validation. Hindi ko naman sinisisi yung mga tao na nagva-validate sa akin just because nagkaroon ako academic achievements. Pero that's just on my side. doon ako nagkaroon ng drive to do things. Kasi sabi ko, mapavalidate nila ako, i-congratulate nila ako, sasabihin nila ang galing-galing ko. Which was, I think for me, is very wrong. Kasi hindi dapat doon nabubuhay yung drive mo or yung passion mo to do something. And that's one of the things that I had to reflect on nung wala ako sa YouTube. Right now, I can, proudly say na na-survive ko yung part na yon. Kasi I do not intend to repeat any subject again. I do not intend to, go through that phase or part of my med school life again. Kasi mahirap siya. It takes a lot from you, especially mentally. Na-challenge talaga yung mental health ko noong time na yon. I do not want to dive into it kasi I don't want to trigger you or anyone that's gonna be watching this. Pero yun nga, mahirap siya. And masaya ako ngayon kasi nasabi ko na sa inyo and mas mapapakita ko sa inyo yung buhay ko sa med school without having to hide the fact na konti lang yung subjects ko right now kasi may inulit akong subjects before and nahati-hati yung subjects ko, or mapapakita ko na sa inyo na talagang ang hirap-hirap mag-aral for med school. It's no joke. And I want to show you guys na I've taken things seriously. I've managed my priorities. I'm gonna show you guys the rawest of raw sa mga vlogs ko about med school. And I'm just really excited to do that. Kasi dati, may blocking pa ako ng oras ko, may pakita pa ako sa inyo ng schedule, ng mga to-do list. I still do that from time to time. Pero I can now show you guys what happens if hindi ako nagplan, pero ang pinlano ko lang is mag-study, pero hindi siya very detailed. Ganon. And then, I also took the time to enjoy life kasi I've been traveling. I've seen Taylor Swift. I've flown on my own. I've explored places on my own. And siguro, mas nag-mature ako when I decided na yung failed subjects na yon won't define me as a doctor after the long run. It was very cheesy, no? Pero, promise, that's what I want to convey. Na nag-fail man ako, I'm still here. And I am actually on my last semester of second year. And I'm very excited to show you guys kung ano yung nangyayari with everything in med school. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo mag-vlog ng mga, very private stuff. Kasi may mga limits yung pag-vlog sa school and pag-vlog ng Pero, I'm gonna show you how I handle med school. And I hope you guys will still continue to support me. I hope you guys will continue to watch the vlogs and watch what I want to share with you guys. Sana supportahan niyo pa rin ako in my journey to be a doctor. Kasi some of you guys, na subaybayan ako when I became a pharmacist. And gusto ko kasama ko rin kayo sa journey ko when I become a doctor. Ayun lang naman. It's a new era of Audrey A. And I hope you guys will continue to support me. I hope you guys would like or love the videos that I will share with you guys. And promise talaga, magiging consistent na ako. New schedule would be Mondays at 6 p.m. And I hope you guys will be supportive. I hope you guys will still love me or like my contents even though it's from a mid-year's perspective. Yun lang naman. I'll see you on my next vlog. I'll upload this agad. And ayun. Bye!